Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Gupta and today in this video I am going to show you how to make the GSM based energy meter with over and under voltage alert system. So there are two display given in the board, one to measure the status of an energy meter and there is the GSM module, and this is the charger. This is a 12 volt of a charger to give the power to the GSM module, and that power will be given to the circuit 1 and the rest of the circuit. That power will be supplied. From these two display, the one display is given to measure the status of an energy meter. For both the display board, I have used this separate microcontroller. And second display is given to measure the voltage which is coming from the transformer. And the voltage can be regulated by using the dimmer. We can vary the voltage. This display will show the voltage reading, and another display will show the status of the energy meter, like balance reading and all. The first microcontroller, here's the microcontroller which gives signals to the relay. And so this is the bridge connection rectifier. This is the capacitor given there, and this is the MOSFET normally we use for the rectification purpose. That's the reset button given in the board, and that's the LED light for the indication where the power line is coming or not. And this is the display, and there is the regulator for contrast of the display. Regulator is given, that is a microcontroller for giving signal to relay, and that is for contrast purpose. And this one is the buzzer and one is the LED light, and this is the transistor given to control the buzzer, and buzzer will alert in some dangerous situation. And this is for the incoming voltage in the circuit. This part is given in the circuit board, and here also we can see the same type of the rectification is given, and LED given here, green LED is given, and the same MOSFET is used there also. And so this is the energy meter. As we can see, the input of the energy meter is given to the dimmer for the regulation purpose. The dimmer is used, and the dimmer is connected to the transformer. As we can see, the dimmer is connected to the transformer, and then transformer is connected for the voltage divider, which will divide further voltage, and it will further transfer to the display number 2. The display number 2 will show the voltage in the display. Both the microcontroller in the boards works on the 5 volt of the DC power supply. The input from the display number 1 will come from the GSM module, and the input in the display 2 will come from the transformer. So both will take input from the different modes. The first microcontroller will receive the data from the GSM module, and the GSM module is controlled by the owner from the mobile, and this is a reset button given in the second display. And this is the relay circuit. This is the transistor given to control the relay, and the power coming in the relay is from the circuit number 1 display 1 circuit, and the relay is given to control the load. It is nothing but it's a simple switch, which is the electromagnetic switch, which takes output as a DC, and we can switch anything AC. So we have used relay to control the AC loads, heavy loads. We can use anything instead of filaments light or anything AC loads. So we have used here relay. This relay circuit will get power from display number 1. So, and this is the optocoupler which is connected to the multi energy meter of our board, and this is the filament light. The filament light can be controlled by relay or by manually. We have given the manual switch also on off for the switch. So let's connect this circuit and let's check whether it's working or not. So for the power lines, let's connect the AC power for giving the power to energy meter, and for DC we will give for GSM module we will give power from the adapter, which is of 12 volts. So let's give power to the GSM module. So the display will get on. So you can see the light is blinking. The green light is glowing in the display number 2, and in display number 1 LED is blinking. And in GSM module, the red indication, the red light is glowing. That means it is communicating with our mobile phone. So as we can see here, in mobile phone we have received that the system has activated. So in mobile phone we have already got the message that system has been activated. So that red signal in the GSM module, that indicates the signal is giving. So the display number 2 will show you the balance and the units the owner will consume. That unit we can see, and in display number 2 we will see the voltage which is coming from the transformer, and we can also fluctuate the voltage by using the dimmer. Let's turn on our AC power supply and let's see. So as we can see, the filament light is already glowing, and our balance is 65 now. The balance is given 65. So now the power is consuming now, so the balance will decrease slowly, and now let's see how much is the balance now. So the balance is decreasing, reducing 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, and as you can also see the voltage. If the voltage is given 110, 190, it's fluctuating. If the voltage will go under 100, then the power will cut off. So that's how we are preventing the over and under voltage in the board. And you can see here slowly our balance is reducing. Once the balance will go under 10, then it will automatically get message in our phone. So you can see I have already got the low balance message in my mobile phone. So let's do recharge. So we can do recharge directly. So for doing recharge, let's do hashtag 50 and start, and then it again 50 will be uploaded it is added to your balance in the system. So as you can see, I have already got the message that recharge is successfully done. So here also the balance is increased. So from 0 we have already done 50 rupees balance. So here our new balance is 50, and again due to the load, our balance is again reducing. So it will reduce slowly. So you can see now it's 45. So like that, slowly the balance will get reduced, and again we have to do recharge, and again we can use our home load. So once the balance will go under 15, then it will give you the alert message to do recharge. Such message will come, and otherwise the relay will cut off. And once the relay will cut off, the automatically your load will get cut off. So we can manually also control this. We can control this board. So just now we have done the recharge of 50. So slowly our recharge is decreasing. Now it came to 15. Now maybe after few seconds we will get message on our phone device that low balance. So again we have to do recharge, and again the power will get on. Like that the system will work. So let's do recharge again of 50. So just we need to put hashtag 50 and start. That's all, and just hit enter button. So now our balance, now you can see our balance is 0, and now it's 50. So again our balance is increased, and now the light will glow on automatically.